Hi, I'm Jake with Hardwood Reflections, and I've got a super cool product for you today. So we have our live edge Saman, and this is really different, it's really fun. So for the past several years, we've had these live edge acacia pieces, and they've been finished. They've been either UV finished or they've been pre-mineral oil. So what we're doing now, we're gonna offer these in a totally unfinished model. So take this is unfinished Saman, also called acacia. And what you'll see here, we did a couple live edges on these. So you'll see a live edge on this side and a live edge on this side. It looks really good, it's really sharp, plus it's unfinished, so you can do whatever you want to do to change it up. And when you get this, you'll see the front is a little bit darker with white outsides. And on the back side, you will see that we've got a couple streaks in here. But that's totally normal. You can absolutely use either side, and you can stain these however you want. You can use like a mineral oil, you can use an oil-based polyurethane, a water-based polyurethane. You can use tongue oil, butcher block conditioner. It's totally up to you. You can stain these things. They're super simple. They cut very easily, and they actually take treatment super well. So I'd say we're gonna throw some stain on here, show you how it looks, and then go from there. So what I've got today, I've got a Hardwood Reflections Satin Top Coat, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna add this to the top of the wood, and you will notice it's gonna darken up the wood a little bit, even though it's supposed to be like a clear coat. What I like to do is actually test the back side of the wood, the side that's not gonna be seen by a lot of people, to see how I like the color in there. And then once you find that color from your backside test, do the entire thing. But these are totally unfinished, so it's really important to coat the top, the bottom, and all the sides when you do this. But today, I'm gonna show you how this top coat looks, and I think you'll be impressed. Like, what I like to use is a sponge like this, or a brush like this, or also a cloth. They all kind of come out the same. You'll notice it's gonna darken up the wood a little bit right here, as I just start pouring on here. And it just looks awesome. As you can see, treating this makes a huge difference, and it just looks beautiful. So if you just take a general look, this is treated, this is untreated. And for the treating part, I like to put several coats on there just to make sure you never really have any problems with it. It's untreated wood, you need to treat it, but once you do, you'll be impressed. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.